Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to play with friends in Alchemy Factory. To play with friends, simply create a new game or hit continue, as you can see. Then make sure the multiplayer is toggled on. It is toggled on by the default when creating a new game, but if you created a single player game, you can do it like that. Once the game is set to multiplayer, simply tap confirm, wait for the game to load, and now you could invite a friend. As you can see, this opens my Steam friend invite page. I could search for a friend and then simply add them. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.